Hey YouTube, Mr. Airsoft 36 here. I've got my AK once again. Now I'm going to try and shoot the CD disc. Well, CD disc, whatever. Can't be both. Yeah, I'm just checking if you can see it, if you can. So I'm just going to shoot with my AK. Yeah, and see what... Well, I know what's going to happen, but so we'll just shoot anyways. It's just for fun. In fact, if I get this side of the camera, I'll have a better aim on it. Oh, that was my sight, sorry. Sight wasn't adjusted there. Okay, there's one hit. Another hit. Damn, the disc's moved again. I'm gonna have to hit from this side. Oh, I missed there. Death to the disc. Oh, disc moved again. Oh! Not aiming down the sight here, by the way. I'll show you what the damage is after. There's a bit of it fell off. What the hell? Sorry, what? I don't even know what happened there. That BB just skied off. Well, you know what .12s are like. Again. Hit. Strange thing is, it works against game cases better. They're almost made of the same things. Oh. Now you see why I hate using .12s? They're just sky. Oh, it's gonna multi-feed. Oh well, sorry. That was because I didn't pull it back properly. Ow! Bounced off and hit me in the leg. I think we should take a look at the damage right now. We'll just see what happens. Right, so pick the camera up now. Zoom out. As you can see, it's only the plastic left. Yeah, so that was pretty fun. Yeah, thanks for watching.